Today, I'm going to be showing you how to raise a pet with your friend in Widgetable app. Raising a pet with your friend is a pretty easy thing to do, so let's get started. First, open the Widgetable application in the mobile phone. Then click on the More option given down below. Then click on the Pet option and then click on the three dots given top of the pet and select Start Co-parenting option. After that, click on the Share link button. Click on the Share button and share this code with your friend via WhatsApp. Now open the Widgetable application in your friend's mobile and type this code in your friend's Widgetable application and start raising a pet with your friend. You can easily raise the pet with your friend by follow these easy steps